Good afternoon, my students, friends. Now discuss the magnetism part 2. In this lecture, we discuss here Curie law and Curie-Weiss law for the magnetic material. Then you know that Curie law is applicable for the paramagnetic materials. When temperature is increased, then thermal vibrations will upset the alignment of magnetic dipole moment. Therefore, the magnetic susceptibility decreases with increasing the temperature. In many cases, the susceptibility of the materials is given by the relation Xm, that is the molar susceptibility, is inversely proportional to the temperature, or Xm, this molar magnetic susceptibility, is equal to C upon T. This equation is known as the Curie law. In this equation, C is the Curie constant and T is the temperature. Particularly, this law is applicable for the paramagnetic substances. If you plot the graph versus the molar susceptibility versus the temperature, then you see molar susceptibility of that material with decreases with respect to increasing the temperature. Yes, here you see that plot that shown by the red color that shows the parabola that indicates by increasing the temperature, yes, magnetic susceptibility goes on the decreases. Yes, if you have any doubt in the Curie law, yes, Curie law is simply indicate that molar susceptibility of the materials is inversely proportional to the temperature. Then second law, that is a Curie-Weiss law. Particularly, Curie-Weiss law is applicable for the ferromagnetic substances. Then, what is the limitations of the Curie law? Is in the Curie law that only consider that is the yes magnetism or molar susceptibility is inversely proportional to the temperature, but some substances behaves like a paramagnetic substances up after a particular temperature, but below that temperature that shows a higher magnetism, is that therefore Curie law is not applicable for such a materials, and therefore the scientists will apply the Curie law for such a materials, and law is known as the Curie-Weiss law. As the temperature increases, the ferromagnetism decreases due to increased thermal agitations of the atomic dipoles. At a particular temperature, ferromagnetic material becomes a paramagnetic one, and this temperature is known as that is a Curie temperature. The susceptibility of that material above the Curie temperature is given by the equation Xm is equal to C upon T minus Tc. This equation is known as that is a Curie-Weiss law, and the C is known as the Curie constant, and T is the temperature in Kelvin scale, and Tc is the that is a Curie temperature. Then you see in concern with this thermal vibration is always that thermal vibrations are depends upon the temperature. Below the that critical temperature, all the magnetic domains are aligned with applied magnetic field, because here that temperature is a lower, and that each domain is aligned to each other in a particular direction, and therefore that shows the higher magnetism. If you increase the temperature, what happens? Due to the increasing the thermal energy, thermal vibrations will be increases, and that dipole domains which have a magnetic dipole moment will be randomly that is the move from one position to the another position, and therefore magnetism goes on the decreases like a paramagnetic substances. Particularly, Curie-Weiss law is applicable for the ferromagnetic substances. If you plot the magnetic susceptibility with respect to temperature that's shown in the figure, then you see here in a first figure, if you plot the graph molar susceptibility versus the temperature, then you see this is the Tc, means a Curie temperature, that point is here. Below that temperature, that material shows the strong magnetism because thermal vibrations are the less, and all the magnetic domains or domains which are having a magnetic moment is aligned with applied magnetic field or aligned to each other. This is, you see, it's parallel to each other. But if you increase the temperature, then that what happen is that alignment, parallel alignment will be disturbed and that will be moved randomly, and therefore after that temperature, like a paramagnetic substances, is shows a decrease the molar magnetic substitute with respect to temperature, and after some temperature you see that becomes a here becomes opposite to the applied magnetic field. Here aligned with applied magnetic field, here that is the opposite to the applied magnetic field. Yes, and here you see that Tc means that is a Curie temperature, is characteristic property of the ferromagnetic materials. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe it and press bell icon button.